It's your boy King Richard, aka the God of Rap, for Creative Minds Entertainment.
It's KME if you didn't know.
Special shout out to my homegirl J Queen, the goddess. Number one question I keep getting asked in public and online is this my real hair? Now I've addressed it in another video before, right? I've addressed it before. I forgot which video it was. But doesn't this look like it's my real hair? Do you really think they make wigs or lace fronts or brothers out here rocking lace fronts? Not I, said the straight male, heterosexual. Not I. I can't do it. Maybe they do make them for guys and dudes is wearing them and calling themselves straight. Not I. Right? That ain't me. That ain't what I do. Right? I wear it because I like my hair in various types of ways, as you can see in different videos. I like it in different ways. Right now it's blue. It's been blue for a little minute. I might switch it up and go to something else, but right now I'm feeling blue. It agrees with me. I get a lot of compliments about it. I see people looking at me crazy and funny, but guess what, baby? This some pimping, baby, straight out of Memphis, baby. It's how I get down. It's what I do, baby. I'm gonna keep rocking like this. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. The enormous amount of weird looks that I get from having blue hair with freckles. These are my real freckles. I don't know if you can see them or not. These are my real freckles, right? Got them from my mama. My mama had freckles. But the enormous amount of weird looks that I get from having blue hair, no matter if I got braids or whatever, it don't matter. Pressed, whatever. It's so funny to me because people be so bothered by the fact a black man has blue hair. I don't understand it. Would it be better if it was green, red, purple, whatever? Like when I used to have my afro out, people would look at me crazy too. Like, gosh, somebody's wearing an afro in this era? I'm not like y'all. And there's no disrespect or no shade to anybody. You know what I'm saying? I feel like we are at our best when we are different as a country, as a people. We are at our best. And I'm gonna be honest, I've kind of gotten like a little trollish with it. You know what I'm saying? Because now it's kind of funny to me. And like I almost do it on purpose. Like what I wear, how my hair is. Like I like causing a commotion. Because you big mad while I'm big me. You dig?